This is a story of a married man of age 25 named Tapi, a native of Arunachal Pradesh. His wife named Sulekha and a small child of age 4 were the only members of his family. It was the time when their child should go to school for studying, but they were financially weak, because of which they couldn't afford that. It was becoming very hard for their family to get meal for even 2 times a day. So Tapi started thinking how to earn money, what to do, and so on. Tapi's only dream was to turn anything, even garbage, into gold. But that was impossible because there is nothing like that which could do so. Tapi started thinking tricks to do that and never used to go to job. His wife Sulekha was too tensed seeing Tapi's behavior. She went and said,
Tapi, try to understand. What are you thinking? Will not work. Stop this nonsense and go to work as we need money.
But Tapi ignored her. He never listened to anything. Being fed up from Tapi's behavior, his wife went to her father and told him about Tapi's behavior. Her father said,
Bring Tapi here tomorrow.
But Dad, he's not listening to anyone.
Dear, if someone is not changing, then we should pretend to be like him.
Sulekha did not understand but said okay, and the very next day came with Tapi.
Tapi, do you know what you are thinking to be? I also wanted to be the same in my times.
Tapi was delighted listening that. Then father replied,
I know how to turn anything into gold, but I never did that because I realized that trick when I was already too old to work on it.
Can you please tell me that trick?
Yeah, I could tell, but it is very difficult to apply on that.
I will do that. Please tell me.
Tapi's father-in-law told him to go and collect 3 tons of garbage from the river situated near to their village.
But it will take a long time.
Yes, about 4 years.
Okay, I will do that. But how? I will get the gold out of it.
You will get. First, do what I have instructed you.
Tapi started collecting garbage from the river. He went daily and used to clean the river. He then recognized that he will get the gold after 4 years. But how he will get the money for these 4 years? How he will fulfill all essential things of his family during these 4 years? He then got an idea that I will collect all this garbage at the end of every month, and the remaining 29 days I would do a job. In this way, he started going on the job for 29 days and at the end used to clean the river and collect garbage. After 4 years, finally when 3 tons of garbage was collected, he went to his father-in-law and said to him that
I did as you instructed. Here is 3 tons of garbage. Now, where is my gold?
Then father replied,
Now, what you will do with this garbage?
I will separate different things and will recycle them. But what about my gold? Where is it?
Money which you earn during the 29 days every month and the money which you will get after recycling the garbage is your true gold.
And after 2 months, Tapi was awarded from the government for cleaning that river. He got the real name and fame and was now the owner of biggest recycling industry. He got everything he wanted and a feeling of pride in his own eyes as well as of others. So, in this way, Tapi contributed his efforts to prevent our planet from being an ailing planet.
तो कैसे हैं आप लोग? एक कहानी है जो सबको सुनानी है, जलने वालों की तो रूह भी जलानी है। एक कहानी है जो सबको सुनानी है, इनकी भूख भी तो मैंने ही मिटानी है। इनको क्या पता मैंने करी कितनी मेहनत, सारी बातों से था मैं पूरा सहमत। सारी जिंदगी इन्होंने मुझको रुलाया, इनको भी तो मिला था जो मैंने कमाया। रोते रोते भी इनका धंधा मैंने चलाया, फिर भी इन्होंने सारा धंधा मेरा खाया। ये सारी इनकी माया, इनका ही खाना साया, वीडियो गिरा के पूरे देश का दिल दुखाया। इन्हें लगता है मैं एक फकीर हूँ, अगर ये हाथ है तो मैं इनकी लकीर हूँ। जिन हाथों ने है मुझको दबाया, उन हाथों की तो देख बेटा मैं जंजीर हूँ।